In today's video, I'm gonna quickly show you how to find out the real battery health of your iPhone. Okay, battery health is also known as maximum capacity. It's the measure of battery capacity relative to when it was new, which is usually used to find out if your battery needs to get replaced or not. So the concept behind finding out the real battery health is because a lot of second-hand dealership iPhone devices can actually manipulate this number right here. They can bring it up and you might be seeing 100% while it's actually 80 or 70 or even much lower. Okay, so it's important to check the real battery capacity, and I'll show you how to do it manually here on your iPhone. And do not worry, because this works on any iPhone device, whether you've got an iPhone X, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, or even 6 or 7. Do not worry. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. So the very first thing in here that we need to do in order to find out the battery health is to actually hop into this link right here. Okay, so do not worry, this link is in the description box below. I'm gonna repeat, it's down below in the description of this video. So all you need to do is just tap in the link in the description box below. Okay, so you're gonna tap on the link and immediately it's gonna bring you like an option to add a battery shortcut. Okay, so you're gonna tap here on add shortcut, and then the shortcut is gonna be installed right here. I'm gonna just quickly show it again to you. For example, you're on YouTube, right? You're watching here my YouTube video, right? So right here in the description box below, you'll be able to see on top this link right here. I'll keep it there. So all you need to do, tap in the link and then tap here on add shortcut, and then the shortcut will be installed into your phone. In my case, I already have the shortcut, so I'll just cancel it and then I'll close this up. So once the shortcut is installed, we're gonna hop into settings real quick. We're gonna scroll down all the way to privacy and security. Okay, you're gonna tap on privacy and security. Next up, you're gonna scroll down and tap here on analytics and improvement. Okay, hop into analytics and improvement and then tap here on analytics data. You're going to tap on analytics data, and right here we're going to be searching for one single file. Okay, do not worry, I know this is so complicated to understand, but do not worry, the file is usually located here at the top. Okay, so you're going to search for a file that starts with the word analytics. Okay, so it's usually in this format, analytics, and then you've got in here 2024, we've got in here like the date. So you want to make sure you tap on the latest analytics report. So this is a report that keeps on generating every single day. So in my case, the latest one has been analytics 2024 October 30. Okay, this is today's date, the day that I'm recording this video for you guys. So you want to tap on the latest one and then open it. Okay, now, if you're unable to actually find the analytics file in here, do not worry, just watch this video that's showing right now here in the card or in the description box below. It's another video that I've made on how to find the analytics file if you're unable to locate it here on your iPhone device. I've seen a couple people unable to find the analytics file. So once you find it, you're going to open it and then you're going to tap here on share. Okay, so once you tap here on share, you're going to scroll down, and down here you'll see an option which says battery stats. You're going to tap on battery stats and boom, that's all. Next up, you'll be able to see this screen right here which says your iPhone battery's real stats is maximum FCC, the original maximum capacity. It's 2331 mega amperes, and the nominal charge capacity, which is the current one, is only 1629. Okay, 1629, which means that it has decreased from its original capacity. Next up, we've got the cycle count, which is the number of complete charges that your phone has performed. This is something that you cannot hide. Okay, so you can find it with this shortcut in here. So you've got 1660 cycles. So if you've had more than 400 to 500 cycles, your battery is considered to be degraded. Okay, so this is something that you need to double check before buying a second-hand phone or something like that. And at last, as you guys can see, we've gotten here the battery health. Relative to when it was new, your battery capacity is 69.88, and as you guys can see, 69.88 is actually different from what my iPhone is showing down here. Okay, battery. So it's showing me 74 while the app shows me 69.88. This means that this is not so accurate here on my iPhone itself. That's why we've got in here this third-party method of checking the real battery health, because people can change this, and sometimes this is also not that accurate. I hope this video really helped you. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and if you like my video, if you find this content useful, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like the video, and leave a comment down below, as it helps me in getting recommended so I can help more people facing the same issue as yours. Thank you so much for watching Fixed by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.